One of the nice features of the surf carry pocket here is the ability to get your surfboards up overhead high and dry. So first we're going to undo the straps here. And then next up you'll take your board. You want to make sure the nose rocker is down and the fins are up and aft. Okay. And then we'll close our pockets, ensuring the buckle is over top. Tighten our straps. Okay, so for larger boards or even multiple tubes, we have these provided extension straps. So in the case of our Boss Haas here, we're going to do the same thing, nose rocker down with the fins up aft. We'll flap over our straps here, and then we're going to lay these across. And then we'll move to the other side of the boat and make the connection. Continue to ensure the strap stays on top so as not to scratch the boards. And we can tighten them down. Now, if you have really large items like multiple tubes or a tube that is oddly shaped, you can actually run these straps in an X pattern this way to really secure them down. On the top tube, we recommend running them through the handles. And you're ready to go.